So this is the second day I'm seeing her drawing the. This is the second day you're drawing the whiteboard. You draw one every day. Hi, morning everyone, Richard here. I'm back at the ServerDNA 6 Convention Center. That's where the event is held. And then let's go in. Today there will be a different batch of participants. And you can see the cosplay. They're all here today for some performance. Let's go back in. I hope you like the first video. I'll leave a link to the front. And hopefully you can get my audio. Today I'm not using any left mic. It's just direct from the Action 2. So let's have a look and see what they're having here.
New Mexico. Oh,
good morning. She's dressed up today.
Ma. Morning, motherfucker.
So this is where they are having the VR goggles. Let's go and see what else we have here.
Because we only have.
So today is all set up again. So they'll start in a few minutes. You can see that the stream is going to start soon in about 3 minutes. There's Doremi.
Look at me finally being able to make short jokes.
Hi.
So happy.
So I'd like to introduce Doremi.
Just as I was like, yeah, right.
Oh, your cafe was spectacular.
Yeah, I like it's so good that people don't even notice that there was food.
They were
That's so mean.
I candy.
they were singing and dance,
But mom's
singing
spaghetti
to
the best. Your mom's spaghetti.
spaghetti.
Yeah.
All this for Eminem.
Go.
Alright, see ya.
So actually the goodies are here. You can see. So all the giveaways. Like look at the Intel and you see photo link. So many stuff, right? It's like I'm not even getting one of these. But okay. Wow, this is nice. So this is the root. Hey. Okay, good. Going around taking 2 days back behind the scene again. So today again your session?
No. I'm just
Today, no.
handling the performance.
Today no session for you.
What
Good
camera
lah.
are you using?
This is Action 2, the new Action 2.
Oh,
So this Action 2, which normally overheats, but I have to shoot 2.7K if not use. If I shoot 4K, it will overheat. So that I can cover the whole event 2.7K.
I see.
But it's just playing around with it. Just got it when it wants. Okay. So no dress up for you today?
Today I am a normal person.
No, everyone here is not normal.
Yeah.
So everyone here is not normal, okay?
Not normal.
Normal people be at home Sunday sleeping.
Yes. Not normal. Only weirdos do this.
Yeah. Hayate, take picture. Okay. Thank you. Photo bomb behind. So you saw that is Hayate. She's going up to do the singing. having a very loud start in the morning. So there's Hayate on stage to hype us up. So wake everyone up from the house. So let's catch some more things to shoot.
ServerDNA1, so basically the most amount of mouse pads you can get in collection is 5 in total, including the CPU.
One time we lost many ServerDNA mouse pads, right? Started mixing all the phone.
So this joke is they have a mouse pad party every time, and they throw away lots and lots of mouse pad, and everyone loves the mouse pad. It's a huge mouse pad, so they collect it for past events. I think it's like 5 events. This is the 6th, so but the first one they don't have any mouse pad, so it's 5 mouse pad, and they did collect it. So the fans really love the mouse pad party, where they just throw away lots of mouse pads. So they're throwing out the mouse pads. Everyone wants the mouse pad.
I like how suddenly Angel has arm strength today. Jimmy, this is not a boomerang. Don't return it back to the stage. I like how Jimmy threw it and it fall back to the stage. What is this?
It's a mouse pad that they're gonna throw, and everyone wants it. So those virtual participants are not getting their mouse pad.
I do not recommend standing up when Angel's throwing. So.
This is what they get from the heavens. It's like getting angel.
Okay, I like this guy. He already got 1 mouse pad and he caught another one. He's like, oh, I'm gonna give 1 to you, man. Look at that. Good job, man. Good job. It's great. If you only have like 10 mouse pads, can you like give it to the other guys?
Show me the one.
There's a lot of potholes.
Yeah, I know, right?
So actually, we have a very good thriving community for gamers, streamers, and cosplay, right? So I'm very glad that these people are allowed to express their love for whatever that they want to experience. So I do hope more brands or more companies will support them and grow the community. So Steven is doing some careers counseling. So he's a great careers counselor.
Actually, I'm doing couples counseling right now.
Oh, couples counseling.
Times are tough.
That's even better, right? You spread out to couples counseling.
They started off as best friends, and then she's my friend.
Hi, couple.
Yeah, they were best friends. And then I met her through her, and then we kind of gang up, and then like we disconnect from her.
Okay.
So now
you're face to face
we're
again.
trying to see what to do with her lah. We're not too
Oh, okay. So random. Luckily, it was just couples. Maid with lots of guns. So pretty scary, right? So you have a maid looking at a whole load of guns, right? Thankfully, it's not real guns. Free cookies? Oh, she's giving out free cookies. That's what I thank you.
It's homemade. So I hope you
Yeah,
enjoy it.
homemade cookies, right? So that's why. Drop by for a free cookie. Okay, that's why she's changing this every day. Yesterday and today she was trying this. So nice of them, free cookies. So I guess they fired Steven as their counselor and changed, and then changed to another counselor. So let's look for the strongest man here. So we shall give him a cookie, the strongest man here, right? And the most favorite man here. So I found him. Here's the most favorite man. This is Flavor. He's the most favorite man here, and he deserves a cookie. So, Flavor is the man of all the SDNA, ServerDNA. So remember. And esports?
I guess so.
Esports man, right?
Hi everyone. Oh my god, so cool. The new DJI one, right?
Yeah. The one that lasts 6 minutes before it overheats.
Oh, what?
I can't shoot in 4K. I must shoot in 2.7K. Else it won't last. 4K overheat.
Why? Oh, so weird.
New technology.
I'm still using my GoPro Hero 7.
Yeah. This is for backup. It's always there.
This is the DJI
Osmo action.
I see.
So this is the most reliable workhorse. It can just go the whole day.
I don't
4K,
know,
4K the whole day.
I don't know why my Osmo whole day. Wow.
Just change the battery in it. It won't overheat.
Wow.
4K 60, I can shoot all the way. So this one can't.
My Hero 7 has overheating issues.
Yeah, I traded in for this.
Oh my god.
This is whole day. You can just keep on swapping batteries.
How about audio?
This one, the audio is good. This one, the audio you need the other one. But with this part is not waterproof. It's only the top is waterproof.
I see. So audio you're using this now.
Yeah, I will use both. It depends on which one is clearer.
Really? Using the device alone, the audio is good?
Yeah.
Wow.
This got three mic, so it's got noise cancelling.
Because I'm planning to get the Rode Wireless Go 2.
Yeah. You can work with this or this. Yeah.
Actually, I'm looking for one unit right now to buy today, but I don't know where to find shit.
Road, sell to him.
Yeah, because I want to start doing recording now. I want to venture to YouTube and do a little bit of
I'm using Comica.
The what?
Comica. Yeah.
Is that the
competitor of Rode?
Oh.
I'm using Comica. Comica has two mics, one receiver, so you can do interviews.
I see.
Yeah, I prefer Comica. Rode him. Rode goes after him. Comica.
I mean, always remember, I'm an amateur. He has been doing this for a while, so he should know better.
Try Comica. Two mic, one receiver.
Comica, Comica.
Yeah, Comica.
Because the Rode comes with one, but the Rode Wireless Go 2 comes with two.
Yeah. Depends on which one you want.
Correct lah.
But because I started with Comica, because it was cheaper than Rode.
Yeah, I guess so. Rode is the most pricier one.
You just search out Lazada Comica. Yeah, the two-piece. Yeah, D2. This one. I'm using this one.
Oh, this one, right? Comica Audio Boom X D2 Ultra.
So it's got either left mic or the mic there. And this one has been working very well. Normally I use it with my camera, this cam or this one.
Is it the one
It doesn't work with this because I don't have the adapter yet.
Is it the one that clips on yourself, or is it the audio mic thingy you clip?
No, you can have left. You can have left. This is the left. You can clip here. This one you clip here, or you can just clip this whole thing here. Up to you.
Yeah,
I don't like wires, so I clip the whole thing.
Correct. Yeah.
And this is good for interviews.
So you can just like.
Yeah, just pass it to the guy, and then it's got two, and you can select stereo or mono.
Stop.
Cool.
Okay.
I'll double check that.
So Comica, I just did the sales for you.
Yeah, true.
Are you
I apologize.
So this is a virtual market you're looking at, and they can go in and purchase things, which is a virtual asset. So it's like metaverse.
Inilah dia. Semut. Ya, permulaan telah pun dilakukan di situ. Tendangan daripada low kick di antara satu sama lain. Cuba untuk dijatuhkan, iaitu right ball. Masih lagi nyawa agak begitu sedikit dia perlu untuk menjatuhkan. Daiko dengan serta-merta. Tapi Daiko masih lagi berusaha untuk serta-merta menjatuhkan dan juga cuba untuk tekan ini semut.
So they can virtual set and then choose what they want and walk in the virtual world with the goggles on. Okay, there you have it. That's all for today, the second day of ServerDNA 6. It was a huge event here, and we have now the e-sport cast competition, and the voices are great, right? So as also you saw some virtual market from Japan. It's interesting, and then with Metaverse coming up, we'll probably have more of these. We'll be able to walk around with our goggles or even through the phone. We are able to do shopping maybe in the virtual world and do some purchase from some products. So this is all the new steps for the new world that we live in nowadays due to maybe the pandemic. So virtual worlds are getting more popular, and we'll see more of it in the future. So that's all for today. So I'll see you. Have a nice day. So stay safe. Bye.